Beautiful. All right, we are all set. All right, now you can go ahead, start accelerating, get a feel for how she's going to pull. Keep on going. Hit the gas. There we go. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, bud. And I'm going to be telling you brakes. And as of right now, we're good. It's going to be a nice big U-turn here, big U-corner. And you want to keep momentum going through here. So you want to keep a nice steady foot going all the way through this back corner area here. And then coming up, it's going to cut in left, right through here. Then it's going to swing back around over to the right. And once we pass these tall orange cones, get up to this side. No more, I'm going to tell you brakes, but no more than about 20, 25 miles an hour. But we're just going to keep it moving now.
Hard staging.
See, when I say brakes, it's just only to slow the car down, though, so we don't have to come to a stop or anything. All right. Start leaning into that gas pedal, and accelerate. Keep her going, all the way down, bud. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. And brakes. There we go. Then coming around, you want to keep momentum coming through here.
That shit is low.
Keep on going with it. Keep on going. Keep that momentum going all the way through. Cut over.
On track, orange on track. Good.
Perfect. And then brakes, like I said, nice and easy, 20, 25 through this area.
Left the cap to the gas thing on here. You guys, I don't know where it went.
Oh, it probably flew off.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright. Start leaning on that gas pedal. And accelerate. Keep on going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And brakes. There we go. Keep on going, keep that steady foot on the gas. And brakes, perfect, nice and easy, 20, 25. Let's start leaning on that gas, lean on that gas and accelerate, man. Hold it down. Keep on going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and brakes. There you go. Keep that momentum going all the way through. Keep on going with it. There you go. Perfect. Keep on going. Perfect. And brakes. Excellent. 20, 25.
It's the last lap right here, right?
Yep. Keep on going, bud. Lean into it and accelerate. Keep on going all the way down, all the way down. And brakes. There we go. Keep that momentum going. And cut in. Keep that momentum still going. Keep going with it. And brakes. Perfect.
That shit was so fun. Alright, so we're up on now.
So we're going to come around here, right where that exit sign is. We're going to go right. Just right here. Perfect.
Right here.
Yep, and we're just going to go aim for those trucks. And we're going to be doing a loop around over to the driver's side of that red Lambo.
On track.
Perfect. Yeah, right on this line. Excellent.
Appreciate
Beautiful. Not a problem, bud.
That shit was